Welcome back to I-Techie's special coverage of the I-Techie Gaming Tournament. Now moving on to Day 2's coverage of the event. Day 2 was when the real competition started, with the Counter-Strike contestants let loose to rip each other to shreds. Counter-Strike, of course, is easily the most popular and widely played multiplayer game on the local scene. Hence, the number of contestants vying for the winner's spot and the excitement of the spectators were both proportionately larger for this game than any of the others.
I'm Haq Ali Shabazz from KGS, okay? And I'm here to spectate other players, and this is the first time I'm spectating them. I don't have like a proper team right now, but we're pretty good, we're okay, and we've been playing for a long time. And we're just looking at the other skill level of these players, and we find them like they're pretty good. So it's good to see other people play, and that's why we're here basically.
I'm Daniel Shahid from Karachi Grammar School. I'm 18 years old and I've come here to see the teams participate in this tournament. We're just seeing how good they are, and then from that we'll make a team ourselves and then come back in the future.
The knockouts lasted until 10 p.m. Here, again, like in Dota, the appeal of Counter-Strike is the strategy the players had to build in order to achieve success.
Right now, as you see, the tournament's going on, and we most probably the teams which are favorite for the tournament are of Counter-Strike. We can say it's Maju, CBM, who have the potential to win this tournament, and from Dota we can say there's teams like Sir Syed, Ikra, and team from CBM. They have the potential, and in FIFA there's this player Rohan. He's really good, and Aurangzeb Ali, and they have the potential to win this tournament. And from Pro Evo we can say there's Temur Amin, there is Feroz, and we have a player named Mani, and they are the favorites for Pro Evo 9.
Counter-Strike has long faced claims of violence and has been accused of being inappropriate for young minds. In actuality, this is a little bit further from the truth. The players disregard the violence aspect and focus on the tactics used in order to bamboozle their enemies. Most of the players we met have been playing CS for several years, but none of them were obsessive gamers who would sacrifice work and studies in order to simply play games. They viewed gaming as no more than mental exercise.
Yeah, my name is Shayan and I'm from Maju University, and I'm playing CS and supporting them.
Yeah, it's simple, it's good, it's time pass, we just play it for fun, that's it. This is my first time, I've never been in a tourney before.
Against player में जो है ना आपके friends भी होते हैं, और against में खेलने में मज़ा आता है, lane gaming होती है, तो जो आपके opponent होते हैं वो आपके सामने बैठे होते हैं, इसलिए ज़्यादा मज़ा आता है।
मेरे ख्याल से मतलब वायलेंस वगैरह तो और इससे ज़्यादा गेम्स में आजकल जो लेटेस्ट गेम्स आ रहे हैं उसके अंदर इससे ज़्यादा दिखाया गया है। जिस तरह आप अगर डेविल मे क्राई देखें उस टाइप के गेम्स है, तो काउंटर स्ट्राइक तो मतलब आप इसमें इतना ज़्यादा वायलेंस नहीं है, मतलब एक तरह का टाइम अच्छा पास हो जाता है, प्लस फिर आपका IQ भी इसमें काफ़ी ज़्यादा इंप्रूव होता है, डिसीजन मेकिंग भी आपकी इंप्रूव होती है।
I've been playing from 10 years, but मतलब I didn't get the chance to play here. No, I've played many tournaments, but I'm giving them the chance to play.
Have you seen any girl playing Counter-Strike? That's it, we're boys. Boys attracted toward violence. They have this harsh personality in them, they have this little thing in them. That's because, you know, every boy is attracted towards it.
मैं mostly 2 years से खेल रहा हूँ, लैन पे खेलता हूँ मैं, और बाज़ औक़ात गेमिंग जोन मेरी तरफ है तो वहाँ पे भी मोस्टली स्टडीज़ वगैरह हो रही होती थी, तो आज यूनिवर्सिटी वालों ने चांस दे दिया खेलने का, तो इससे अच्छा और हमें क्या चाहिए।
फन है एक तरीके से, मज़ा आता है खेलने में। हेडशॉट एक जो है ना बहुत मशहूर है काउंटर स्ट्राइक में, तो जब वो मारते हैं तो 1 बुलेट में भी मर जाता है, तो उसमें थोड़ा इंटरेस्टिंग फील होता है।
For some of them, this was their first tournament, while for others, it was their 5th. Counter-Strike tends to be a more intense game, and a prominent ingredient of it is all the shouting and name-calling that goes along with it. Whether someone's warning his teammate to duck to avoid potentially fatal bullets, or a team cheer for a collective victory, CS is a very vocal game, and is a true test of teamwork. The matches held on the consoles were relatively more civilized compared to the raucous rampage in the basement. The two competing players sat together on a sofa as the others watched them compete. These gamers are football crazy, and if they're not playing FIFA, they're watching football on TV.
I'm from IBA, my name's Mani and I'm 27. I'm a football fan, and that's why I compete in Pro Evolution Soccer. It's still the preliminary stages at the moment, and I'm hoping to at least reach the semi-finals. It's a very healthy competition. Different universities are competing, a lot of players are coming up. You get to learn new moves, and if you think you're good, you should come here and play these other players. They're really good.